StrataFlows is the cloud-based process automation platform that manufacturers and suppliers trust to monitor and act on changes in supply chain and material flow. These organizations, big and small, utilize StrataFlows to lower costs, stay agile, and innovate faster. Let's listen in on a conversation that Andy and Ben are having to learn more about how StrataFlows works. I'm Andy. I'm the material coordinator here at Manufacturing Solutions.
Hi Andy, I'm Ben, a cloud process and material flow automation expert at StrataFlows. Everything okay, Andy? You look stressed.
Hi Ben, our production line is down because of a missing part due to a supplier shortage. I'm tired of dealing with this day after day. I can spend 3 to 4 hours updating spreadsheets, emailing the warehouse, and calling the supplier, all just to try and resolve a material flow disruption like this. And after all that work, I may not even get the part to my production team on the same day. Continuous improvement is such a struggle around here. I want to try and figure out the root cause of these types of issues, but I never have enough time because I'm on to the next urgent issue. It's a vicious cycle.
Have you thought about implementing an automated tool to standardize your processes?
We have some tools, but I can't really customize them to meet my needs. Besides, something new sounds difficult, and we just don't have the budget for anything else right now.
But if you could invest less time and money than you do now, and get better results with more accountability and effective communication, wouldn't it be worth learning more? StrataFlows is easy to onboard and integrates with your existing technologies. It works by automating discrepancy resolution and optimizing processes. By leveraging standardization, StrataFlows improves communication, rapidly resolving the material flow disruptions at your facility.
That sounds great, but I'm not convinced yet. In a perfect world, I also want to improve customer service, reduce inventory discrepancies, shorten delivery times, and I know my boss would love to lower handling costs in our entire operation.
The StrataFlows platform hosts a selection of tools that we call modules. Each module focuses on a specific business process at the facility. After implementing our modules, you'll see a dramatic increase in your customer service quality, a swift reduction in your inventory discrepancies, and shortened delivery times, reducing your material handling costs.
That all sounds great, but how does the StrataFlows platform do that?
The StrataFlows platform consolidates communication, connecting department leads and warehouse teams in a one-stop shop tool. This eliminates miscommunications from playing phone tag, answering long email chains, and getting information from different sources. Each discrepancy or exception, like your urgent overdue part, is entered into the tool as a request. Each request has an assigned state, detailing its place in the current process, creating a culture of accountability by giving every party involved added visibility.
Better communication is always a good thing. At Manufacturing Solutions, we have a problem with accountability. The ball gets dropped at some point in our workflow, and we don't know who is currently responsible for completing the next step.
Accountability is built into StrataFlows. Detailed in each request is information on who performed what action, when it took place, and what comments were made at that point in time.
Okay, Ben, I have a question for you. So you have been talking about using StrataFlows to standardize processes, but can I customize the StrataFlows modules to fit my existing processes?
As I mentioned before, each module is specifically built to address different processes in the production environment. The module request form and backend workflow can be easily modified to match your environment's workflow, process, and verbiage.
Okay, well here's another important question. Is it easy to use?
The StrataFlows platform is a simple, efficient, easy-to-use tool with a grid view like Excel. In the platform, you can easily view requests and other product features as allowed by your set user role.
Something like this sounds like it would take a lot of time and effort to implement. How long does it take to get up and running?
There is a large selection of StrataFlows modules that are pre-built and ready to go out of the box. With one of these pre-built modules, you can be up and running within a matter of minutes.
We use an ERP system here at Manufacturing Solutions, and it contains all of our part numbers, descriptions, and vendor information. Will I have to re-enter or manually import this information? With an additional system, will I have to perform double data entry?
The short answer is no. The StrataFlows platform securely integrates with your existing systems, typically via APIs. We usually work with IT teams on setting that up.
How secure is StrataFlows? Our IT director will have some questions for me and my boss about it. Also, I forgot to ask, how much does it all cost?
The StrataFlows platform is securely hosted on Microsoft servers with redundancies around the world, so it's available anywhere with an internet connection via web browser or mobile app for iOS and Android. The platform is accessed by individual user accounts with optional single sign-on authentication. StrataFlows stays separate from your other systems, and any integrated data is via API connections or imported Excel or CSV files. By integrating data from your ERP or local systems, StrataFlows allows you to maintain data integrity by verifying part numbers, vendors, part descriptions, locations, contacts, and any other information you may need. Our low-cost, easy-to-understand pricing will have you reducing discrepancies almost immediately. With all the time saved, ROI is typically realized within the first few months.
Wow, Ben, that all looks great. I have one more question for you. For my job, I'm measured on many operational metrics, including daily product throughput, delivery accuracy, and timeliness, as well as days for inventory stock turnover. I'm also evaluated on how well we consistently meet the SLAs we have with our partners. Does your tool help with that?
Our tool has a built-in dashboard, allowing you to visualize the data metrics that are most important for your organization. The dashboard is used for root cause analysis and enables a streamlined continuous improvement approach. For example, if your biggest disruptions are due to inventory adjustments, supplier delinquencies, weather delays, or part shortages, you can act accordingly. Using the dashboard in this way gives you an incident command center for managers to pinpoint recurring issues and take corrective actions. This allows for more time and energy to focus on the underlying threats that impact production.
That dashboard is incredible. How do I learn more about StrataFlows?
You can talk to us about getting a free trial set up. If you start a trial here at ProMat, then we will extend the 14-day free trial to 30 days. Or we can schedule a personalized demo to show you how StrataFlows fits into your production environment.
That concludes our demo. Does anyone have any questions about how StrataFlows can optimize your processes and fit into your manufacturing environment? We're here to answer those questions now.